Spotify keeps pausing songs fix. If you're listening to songs via Spotify, but if the songs are pausing itself for any sort of reason, whatever else it is, you're not being able to hear them properly. Now, the first reason this could happen is due to your slow internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, it could be that Spotify has some of the settings which you have enabled. So tap your profile from the top left and go to the option called Settings and Privacy. From here, go to Data Saving and Offline, and if you have turned on Data Saver, make sure to turn off Data Saver. And you can also try to decrease the audio quality for a smooth playback. You can also go to Media Quality and change them to normal or automatic, so based on your internet connection, it will automatically play them. If it's still not working, you can long press the Spotify app icon on Android, tap this I button to come to the app info page. Then you can go to storage usage, clear the cache files and clear the data, and clearing data will delete all of your songs that you've downloaded and also log you out, so remember that. Then after you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for Spotify, and you want to check if the Spotify app has an update, and if it does, you want to just make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.